Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you how to remove the pin from your Windows 11 computer and what to do if your remove option appears grayed out on your PC. So first, go to the settings app. Now switch to the accounts tab. In this menu, scroll down and you will see this sign in options. Click on it. Now expand the pin option. Here you will need to simply select the remove button to remove the login pin from your Windows 11 computer. But if remove button appears grayed out like it is for me right now, fixing it is fairly simple. Just scroll down to the additional settings and disable the first toggle that says Windows Hello sign in for Microsoft accounts. Just go ahead and turn this settings off. Now close the settings app. Now open the settings app again. Again go to the accounts tab, sign in options and expand pin. Once you do this, the remove options should appear. You can then click on it and then follow the prompts to remove the pin from your Windows 11 computer. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe.